Welcome back to the course. So now we will see working with GET request. So what is GET request? GET requests are used to retrieve information from the given URL. There will be no changes done to the endpoint. A GET request gets the information from the server. When you make the GET request on the server, then the server responds to that request. Let's take an example. A simple example, we can take a Google search. So what we will do, we will search something. So backend it will hit the GET request, and whatever we want, that fetch that data and give it us to the response in the web page. Just like that we can understand the GET request. So we will use the following URL for all examples in the Postman tutorial. So I'm going to show you what this URL does. So let's go to the browser. So here you can see this URL has holds 10 users data. So we will hit this URL from the Postman and see what will happen. So just copy paste from here, go to the Postman. Now we are in Postman. So we first have to create a request. So from here we will create a request. So after that you can also create a request from this plus sign like this. So first of all we need to select the method, that is GET. We need to type the URL and we can also paste that, and we need to hit, and we can also hit and send. So I'm hitting now. As we can see, this holds 10 user data, so we can verify from here the ID1, ID2, ID3, ID4, ID5, ID6, ID7, ID8, ID9 and ID10. So this is hitting and fetching the data and all retrieving the data from the server. This is all about the GET request. In the next lesson we will see its response and all the response features related to that. Let's go to the response lesson. Thank you.